everyone, today we will do joining lowercase letters. Let's begin. Let's write a small word, bat. First in normal. Upstroke, it's a downstroke. Draw a line, fill it. Then in A, this is the downstroke and this is the downstroke. In T, this is the downstroke. First write it simply and then you can fill it. Now let's write ball. B, loop, thicket. Then here again. B in A, again in L. Ball. Now let's write a big word. Kavya. You can write your name. And I'm doing a little bit looping upside because down we have done the connecting. Then A. As we have already learned that in K we can choose any one stroke and we can make it a downstroke. If we'll make the whole letter, the letter will look messy. So I have chosen this line. Now A, again A has, then V going up, Y coming down, and one more. See, here is a loop, here's a loop. So this loops, if I even in the downstroke, we are still making them in the upstroke. Now Y is one more tail is having, then A, Kavya. Now let's write YouTube. You can do any styling. Again choose any one line and make the thick stroke. YouTube. Now let's write subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Rockstar Kavya. Write the full. Then make the thick strokes. If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe.